It's here, the Darn Good Yarn pack of yarn that I bought, or that I got from Darn Good Yarn to look at and review. Let's see if we can open this. It comes in this little plastic package instead of a box, which is fine. Take it all out of here. Oh yeah. So this is the neutral pack. This is the Chiffon Ribbon Ombre Pack Neutrals. And check it out. Look at these colors. You've got this nice sort of cream here, green, and orange, and a dark sort of wine color here. They look even better than they did on the screen. So let's take one of these out. We're going to take out this one. This is my favorite so far. And it looks really good. It's got, let's see here. Each one of these is, I believe, how many yards? This is super bulky, obviously, because look at how thick each one of these is. It's literally ribbon, right? So I'm gonna unroll this here. And yeah, it just needs to be wound up, but that looks really good. What I'm gonna make with it, probably a table runner, I'm thinking. Possibly a table runner. But I'm gonna make that with all 4 of these. I'm going to make it with that. And I'm gonna crochet it with a big hook. Does it say what hook you need on here? Yes, it does. So crochet hook 9 to 15 millimeters, or a USM size 13, or yeah, USM 13 through Q. So that makes sense. It's reclaimed sari silk, which is really cool. Basically, they take old saris and they chop them up like so and make them into yarn. So you can see where it's joined together here. And it definitely comes apart. You've got to watch for these little silky bits here. Cut those off. So I'll be careful when I'm unraveling them. But this should be really, really cool, and I cannot wait to work with it. It looks really good. It's very soft. I mean, it's silk. It feels like silk. So we're gonna have fun with this for sure. And I will be back with more on this and with more stuff to unbox very soon. Darn Good Yarn has been very good to me, sending me cool stuff to look at and feel and play with and make stuff with. But you can get your own Darn Good Yarn by going to darngoodyarn.com and using my code CozyandSheer15. That is CozyandSheer15. You can get 15% off of your total purchase there. So do go and check them out. That's darngoodyarn.com, CozyandSheer15 at checkout. And you can get yourself a big old hunk of sari silk ribbon. And this is all done by their artisans in India, by the way. They've hooked up with a bunch of artisan guilds and groups there in order to make this stuff. So you're helping out people in a different country. You're getting cool stuff to make stuff with. I don't know, it just sounds like a win-win to me. So do check them out and see if you can make some cool stuff out of this. I will be back and show you what I have made with it a little later on. But thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.